With new iOS 26 or iPadOS or macOS 26, we got this glass-like design everywhere, which kind of looks cool, but definitely it will be improved with time. Also, we got an additional beta update option for AirPods. So in this particular video, I'm going to guide you through all the features that are coming to AirPods. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before going ahead, let me tell you one thing, that the new features are limited to few AirPods which has H2 chipset. So if you have AirPods 4, which is normal one or with ANC, and also AirPods Pro 2 which comes with Lightning or Type-C port, all these AirPods will support the new feature. If you have AirPods Max with Type-C, you won't be able to use the latest feature, so that's the limitation. Now if you have updated your iPhone to iOS 26 and if you connect your AirPods, so if you go to settings and if you go to AirPods section, the initial message over here will be new beta update is available for AirPods. If not here, then you can just simply go down and you can check out the new option which says AirPods beta updates. You can go in that and you can turn on this option. If you have connected your AirPods, if the AirPods are in case and your phone is locked, within few minutes the update will be installed automatically, so you don't have to do anything. Make sure AirPods is kept near your iPhone. So this is how simple it is to install new beta update to your AirPods. Now let's talk about the features. So on the same page, if you look closely, you get a new camera control option, which will be set to off initially. So you just have to go and select press once or press and hold. So let me place AirPods in my ears. Now what this feature will do is it will act like a remote for camera app. So if I open camera application and if I turn on selfie mode for now, and if I press my AirPods, now you can see timer has started and within few seconds it will capture the photo. This was for photo mode. If I go in video mode and if I once again press my AirPods, so it will start recording, and if I press once again, now you can see the recording is stopped. So basically AirPods will work as camera remote. The next feature is you can automatically pause media whenever you fall asleep. So for that, on this particular page, if you go down, you will get a new option saying pause media when falling asleep. If this option is on and if you're listening to something and if you fall asleep, media will be paused automatically. Now I don't know if it starts playing media again when we woke up, but definitely it will pause the media whenever you fall asleep. The next feature is you can keep audio in your AirPods even if your iPhone is connected to some other device, and for that all you have to do is you just have to go to general option, and if you go in AirPlay and continuity, you will find a new option, keep audio in headphones. Now if this is turned on, what it will do is when using AirPods or other connected headphones, keep audio in your headphones when other playback devices like cars and speakers connect to your iPhone. So yeah, even if your phone gets connected to other device, you will still be able to hear the audio in your headphones. So this is again a new feature. Now the next thing is not actually a feature, but it is a notification option. So if your iPhone is updated to iOS 26, what it will do is if AirPods battery is low, you will be notified to charge your AirPods. You will get a notification over here, and it will also notify you when the charging is complete. So that's a new notification option after updating to iOS 26. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Before ending the video, let me show you one thing, that I have already updated my AirPod to beta update, as you all can see, but there is a new version. The AirPod version is 8A279D and the case version is 8.0.279. So if you have updated your AirPods, you can go and check it out. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.